Hello, David here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a 210 Harris Breeze. This is the smallest Breeze that Harris offers. We have a lot of room on the back of the boat. We have a 115 Pro XS engine with a ski bar, boarding ladder, lots of space on the back of the boat. So I come through the inside here. We have our gates that positively close and latch. That's a patented gate by Harris with 400 pounds of outward pressure, patented. Lots of space inside here. Armrests, our cup holders, storage under the seats. Up here on the helm, we have a Clarion head unit, tilt steering, high back chair, our binnacle, wireless charger, and a lockable glove box. This is a gorgeous tri-tune boat at a very, very affordable price. Come on down to MarineMax. Let's go over the rest of the boat and see if we can get you on the water.